Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka and a very good morning to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, whether you drive the Queen's Road, the King's Road, or the Hibiscus Highway, every Fijian knows our roadside vendors, and we know how important they are to Fijian life everywhere in the country. It's not easy work, but it is important work. They are selling goods that are feeding and sustaining Fijian communities and giving visitors to our country a sample of Fijian grown produce. And many of you are putting in the long hours to harvest the produce yourselves. To our vendors here today, when you put in the time selling produce and then you take your profits and invest them back in your farms, in your businesses, in your homes, and your communities, you are building the Fijian economy. And it is your hard work, along with strong financial management brought by my government, that has put the Fijian economy on track to record 9 straight years of economic growth. Now, for small business owners like yourselves, that is extremely good news because it means there is more money to go around in our economy. Not only does that put more money in your pockets, but you are better served by a larger offering of government services. And as we've continued to do so well, my government has continued to invest our prosperity right back into the Fijian people like we're doing today. And that includes funding new and innovative programs such as the one we are launching today. That also includes our investment in free education for all Fijian primary and secondary students. That includes our investment in infrastructure, new roads, new bridges, ports and jetties. That includes our investment in expanding essential services like water, electricity, and telecommunications. That includes the great assistance we've given out to Fijian entrepreneurs through the micro and small business grant scheme. And that includes the new pilot program I have the pleasure of launching this morning to assist roadside vendors across the country. Running a roadside stall is not easy work. It's not easy bringing goods to your stall, and it's certainly not easy setting up those stalls, maintaining them, and running a profitable business. It takes very long hours of work, it takes endless persistence, and it takes resilience. Because in bad conditions or during severe weather, the going can get very tough indeed. While all other past governments in Fiji saw the struggles and the hardships you face, it is this government, under my leadership, that is the first to step up in such a big way to make your lives better and make your businesses stronger through this new program. And while my critics will undoubtedly attack every step forward we take as a nation, my government will stick to what we know works best for Fiji. And that means investing in hardworking women and men just like yourselves. What this project really does is take the marketing of your small businesses to an entirely new level, a new look, a new level of reliability, and a new opportunity for all of you to capitalize on and increase your profits as vendors. These new stalls will give you clean, consistent, and attractive storefronts that are worthy of the high quality Fijian grown and produce goods you have on offer. Instead of different looking stalls or temporary tin or wooden structures, some that have seen too many years and are worn down, and many that could use a new layer of paint, you will now have a clean and uniform row of stall that catches the eyes of customers and passers-by, and that says clearly that your produce is of high quality. It says clearly that while your business may be small, it is well run. It is run professionally, and that what you're selling is worth buying. And on top of this new program, my government is also vastly expanding the networks of street lighting throughout the country, and that is giving vendors the chance to continue selling well into the night along safe, well-lit highways across the nation. During the pilot phase of this program, we are handing over 20 semi-permanent stalls and 10 portable vendor stalls. And this handover is just the beginning of a program we expect to grow every year. reaching more vendors throughout the country, giving them facilities they need to run their businesses well and to operate safely. These stalls are made of high quality materials, and they are certified by government engineers to be able to withstand up to category 5 cyclone conditions, because we need to steadily adapt our country to the reality of climate change, and our vendors, along with every Fijian, deserve infrastructure and assistance that can be relied upon always in times of severe weather. Under this program, there are two types of stalls, semi-permanent and portable. The portable stalls will be given to vendors who only sell produce a few days in a week, and the stalls can be packed up and rolled up from your homes to the roadside. The permanent stalls will be set up in prime locations on the roadside for vendors who sell their produce on a daily basis. These semi-permanent stalls are basically permanent structures, but they can be removed if there's a road development or in cases of extreme weather. I want to be clear, these stalls are given to you free of charge, but will be given under a lease agreement between you, the vendors, and the Ministry of Trade. I urge you to read those agreements carefully and make sure you adhere to the lease condition. Now I want to make this handover official. Here in Whambalea, we have 9 vendors. The first vendors in the country who are benefiting from a program that I have every confidence will grow to one day improve the lives of every rural roadside vendor in Fiji. I ask that all of our vendors come to the stage after being named. The 6 vendors who will be receiving semi-permanent stalls are Ms. Marama Matimbau, Ms. Vasiti Seru, Aselika Nailomu, Hirendra Prasad, Andy Clara Hundini Ambola, and Mr. Rupeni Bulibo. Please. And the 3 vendors who will be receiving portable stalls are Mr. Chochi Raki, Opeti Wanganga Lotaki, and Mr. Meka Sambusa. I've been told that all of our deserving vendors here today sell their produce as the main source of income. That income supports their families' day-to-day expenses and funds their small business activities. And I know that these new stalls will go a long way in making your businesses a bigger and more reliable source of income for you and your families. Congratulations. Under this pilot program, there will be 21 other stalls installed in areas between Delba, Singatoka, Nandi, Lotoka, Mbatawua, and Tawua Raki. And as this program rolls out, it will expand to every corner of the country. And I'd like to close this ceremony by congratulating our vendors and by saying thank you to our vendors here today and those all around Fiji for the very important work you carry out. My government is here for you, and as our economy grows and rapidly becomes more modern, we want all of you to have the ability to take your business to the next level. I wish you every success with your business and urge you to make the most of this investment. And I thank you all.
Receiving the semi-permanent stall certificate today. Vasiti Seru. Mrs. Vasiti Seru, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Asilika Nailumu. Mr. Hiren Prasad. Andikelera Vundinyangola. Of where you're seated at the moment.
Kalau mana boleh ngomong dah cabbage. Saya ini juga nah, walau. Silakan. Oke, silakan.
Boleh, Ustaz.